So we're going to be looking at negative exponents, and negative exponents do not make the number negative. What it does, it changes how the fraction is kind of written with the exponents. So let's say, for example, we had x to the negative third power. This is the same thing if we wanted positive exponents, and it's mostly by tradition, we would change it to 1 over x to the positive third power. Or if we had 5y to the negative 2 power, this would become 5 over y to the second power. So just the sign of the exponent changes, but it's the same thing. So for the top left, we have z to the negative 6. That would be the same thing as 1 over z to the positive 6 power. So the question mark there would be equal to 6. And it's by tradition, we really want positive exponents. So we're going to write like 1 over 5 to the third, not really 5 to the negative third power. So something like 1 over 3 squared times 1 over 3 squared. We are multiplying, so we would add up the exponents, and this would give us 1 over 3 to the fourth power. The one below it is 1 over 9 times 1 over 9 times 1 over 9. Remember, even though we don't see it, there's a little 1 for the exponents, so we would add them up, and that would give us 1 over 9 to the third power. 2 to the negative 2 times 2 to the negative 9, we would add up the exponents. Negative 2 plus a negative 9 is a negative 11. And then we want to rewrite this without the negative exponents. So this would be 1 over 2 to the positive 11th power. And the last one on this, remember, even though we don't see it, there's a little 1 right there. So this is going to be negative 3 plus 1 plus a negative 5, or just minus 5. That's going to give us a negative 7. So this is the same thing as writing 9 to the negative 7 power, but we want positive exponents. So we're going to rewrite this as 1 over 9 to the 7th power. And it would work the same if there were variables in there. So something like x to the negative 5th times x to the negative 4th. We would add up the exponents. That would give us x to the negative 9, which is the same thing as writing 1 over x to the 9th power. And if you have any kind of questions, ask your math teacher.